In this tutorial, we'll be comparing Intellicks versus Tidio, two tools that help you chat with website visitors, answer questions, and also convert traffic into leads or customers. By the end of this video, you'll know which one is better for AI-driven lead qualification and which one is better for live chat plus e-commerce support, and which platform makes the most sense for your business at the moment. I've included links in the pinned comment and description, so if you would like to try out either one of these platforms, you can get started for completely free. Now let's dive in. Kick things off, what is Intellicks? Intellicks is an AI-powered conversational marketing platform focused on lead qualification and conversion. Instead of traditional live chat, Intellicks uses AI chatbots that start conversations automatically, ask qualifying questions, segment visitors based on intent, route high-intent leads to sales or forms. Think of Intellicks as an AI sales assistant. For your website. While on the other hand, what is Tidio? Tidio is an all-in-one customer communication platform that combines live chat, AI chatbot, rule-based chatbots, and shared inbox and basic ticketing. Tidio is especially popular with e-commerce and small businesses that want to support customers and answer questions in real time. Think of Tidio as live chat plus AI support in one simple dashboard. Now let's explore the core difference of both platforms. For example, when it comes onto Intellicks, it is mainly focused on AI lead customer. When it comes onto Intellicks, it focuses on AI lead conversations that qualify and convert visitors, while Tidio, on the other hand, focuses on live chat, customer support, and AI-assisted replies. So the real question is, do you want qualifying leads automatically or support customers and chat live? And if we were to quickly look at their key features, with Intellicks you'll be getting features like AI-powered conversational chatbots, automatic visitor qualification, intent-based routing, lead capture and segmentation, custom conversation flows, and integrations with CRMs and marketing tools. The best way to think of it is Intellicks helps you identify serious buyers and move them down the funnel automatically. While if we were to look on the key features when it comes onto Tidio, you will be getting live chat widget, AI agent Lyro for FAQs, and visual chat builder, and also shared inbox, whether that be chat, email, or social, and e-commerce integrations, for example with platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and WordPress. So Tidio helps you answer questions faster and support customers without hiring a big team. And if we were to look at the different use cases, for example, when it comes onto Intellicks, I would recommend it to you if you care about lead qualification and conversions, and you want AI to pre-qualify visitors before sales talk, and you run a B2B or SaaS or high-ticket service, and want chat to act like a sales assistant, not just support. While I would recommend you go with Tidio if you run an e-commerce store or small business and want live chat plus AI replies in one tool and need fast customer support and want something easy to set up and manage. And if we were to look at the pricing when it comes onto both platforms, as you can see right here, while you can get started for completely free, their monthly plan on Intellicks begins at $25 and it can go up to $299. With Tidio, on the other hand, their monthly plan begins at $29 and it can go up to $749. Hope you found this comparison helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.